guys, what's up? So today we are going to be using this MODA brush set right here. This is the Sea Witch Total Face Flip Kit. So if you'd like to see how I got this look on my face, then just stay tuned. You guys, MODA brushes have been dropping so many amazing new kits for you guys. The kit that we're going to be using today is the Sea Witch Total Face Flip Kit. This comes with a powder, a complexion, a glow, a crease, and a small shader brush. And then you also get the cool holographic case, and it flips. So you can keep all your brushes inside and then just flip it open, and it's easy access. These are vegan and cruelty free as usual. They can be used for wet or dry products. They are waterproof. They've got this really cool textured handle. And I'm pretty sure that this Sea Witch collection comes in a like green blue handle with red bristles as well. Really reminds me of like Ariel, a mermaid. But yeah, today we are going to be using the purple ones for our purple look. So it's very, very fitting. Another kit that they recently dropped on their website is the Pretty Paws kits. We have the Pretty Paws Kitty Kit and then the Pretty Paws Puppy. And these are so, so cute. These are so, so adorable. I did use them yesterday, so they're dirty. But yeah, this is just another example of the kits that they have dropped. Super, super cute. You guys go check their website out because they literally have something for everybody.
So I'm just applying my powder, bronzer, highlight, blush using the face brushes in that kit. They blend out effortlessly. I absolutely love them. So I'm setting down a wet base for my shadows. I kind of wanted to show you guys how these can be used with wet or dry product. And I'm just going to blend that wet product out using that small shader. And then just going to pack my shadows right on top. For this look, I'm making it the messier, the better. And then I'm adding some De Niro lashes by Beat Gang Lashes. I do have a code in the description box below if you would like to save some money. And now we're going in with a Nova Beauty lipstick just to kind of tie everything together.
And this is the final look using the Sea Witch Total Face Flip Kit. I just want to say a big thank you to MODA Brushes for sending me yet another brush kit to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.